Welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Krista and my husband Luke and I share our renovation process as well as my love for home decor and DIYs. Today we are going to do a very short, sweet 4th of July tablescape. So this is a great way to get festive without spending a ton of money. And any products that I did purchase, I will make sure to include the links below in the description box. So if you're interested, you can find those there. Let's get right into it. Starting off with this beautiful floral arrangement that my husband surprised me with this day, which was my birthday. So had I not had that, I would have used a faux floral arrangement or store-bought flowers. And then these bamboo chargers are from Hobby Lobby. The cloth napkins are from Amazon and they are $25 for a 6-pack. The table runner and lights were from my previous tablescape, so I just left those in place. My favorite dishes from Target, they're $4 a piece. They are beaded porcelain white, just simple and beautiful. And now I'm gonna add these little candles that I got from Home Goods. I can't link anything from Home Goods, but they had these as well as the large red one you'll see me use here in just a little bit. These cups were from Walmart. They were under $3 a piece. I had a nicer glass set that I was planning to purchase and use. I wasn't able to get them in time, but I will link those below as well. And gonna throw in these little flags I also got from Walmart. These packs were under $2 a piece. As far as flatware goes, I do have a gold set of flatware. Unfortunately, our dishwasher destroyed them and they are not pretty like they once were. So we are just using some plastic flatware today, and this is an indoor-outdoor space, so really using kind of plastic stuff out here kind of works better anyway. And usually if I have a sideboard or a buffet, in this room I have a little chest, I'll also decorate that. So I'm just gonna throw some fun 4th of July flair over here, and then I will show you the finished product. And if you want a little bit more of a sophisticated look, just take those flags off of the plates and you have a really simple and beautiful tablescape. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, I hope that it inspired you, and I hope that you have a wonderful 4th of July. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.